All right, Facebook world, it's Kingdom Air Titanium, Andre Dre Waters. It's happening right here in Wayne County, Goldsboro, Jeepboro, North Kakalaki. Listen, we here at Pastor Camelia house. You see that young lady right there being knowing my mom do Pastor Thelma Water like 40 some years. Y'all understand? Now we doing great things and big things and we give God the glory. She got a neighbor over here, Miss Cool Carol. Everybody understand what I'm saying? And what she told me, she shoot your lights out. Or we talking about b-ball, y'all, if y'all get it twisted over there. But anyway, Senior Vice President Miss Karen. We got Senior Vice President Miss Karen over here in the house as well. And we got the amazing solar individuals here too. Now listen to this right here. It has been amazing. Look at her panels back here. Y'all see these panels here? She don't not only got the panels on the side, on the front of the house as well. Y'all like my Harbor Solar hat? Yes, sir, that's Harbor. We rocking like that. Everybody with me. All right, before I lose some cool points. That's better. Good stuff. Now, watch this right here. That was on the front of the house. Pastor Camille value just went up. All right? Also, look on the side right here. Right here on the side, she got the panels. But look how nice they are. Pastor Camille home value, as soon as the roof, the solar, the glass hit her roof, Pastor Camille home value just went up immediately $20,000, $30,000. Y'all understand what I'm just saying? Look at the solar panels. Man, they had such good, amazing crew out here. They been really handling business. These guys right here, what is that? SunPower? Okay, yeah. They work really well together. So guys, if you want to be in the know about what's going on with solar, we're going to be back here. We're going to be back here on Friday at 11 a.m., 1 p.m. No, 11 a.m., 3 p.m., and 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in Goldsboro, North Carolina. We're going to be around the country. I'm on solar tours around the country. Right now, Jeepboro, North Kakalaki. People say, I don't know if this solar stuff is real. There are some crazy solar companies out there, some crazy stuff. But shout out to my Wpgw Solar I&I family. I also shout out to the Millionaires Club out of Chicago. My main man, Mr. Marshall Force and Brother Groove. My sis, Miss Ashley, and everybody down with the Millionaires crew and down with Harbor Solar. Shout out to Mr. Josh Hatch for creating such an environment as Harbor Solar, our CEO, also Mr. J.O., Mr. Justin Owens, our Chief Growth Officer. Also, we have every solar pro, everybody that's representing Harbor Solar because it's a safe harbor here. My colleagues went through about 20 companies and they landed on Harbor Solar. So you want to get with the individual that's sharing this video with you? Is everybody understand what I'm telling you? We're not able to miss this. Why? Because when the value of your property go up on your home, it brings the value of your community up. And sadly, most communities who look like mine around the country is not all the way up. So we got to get all the way up and take advantage of these benefits from solar. As I said, I travel around the country and around the world and international. I love each and every one of you guys. And there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. But most importantly, more importantly, love yourself more than anything else on this planet outside of God. And outside of God, love yourself more than anything else on this planet. Because to truly love others, you must love yourself first. I'm here at Azalea Avenue in Goldsboro, North Carolina at Pastor Camelia's solar installation party. We'll be back Friday to share and break down this information. We love you guys. We out. God bless you.